Your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 displays helpful alerts when attention is needed. Common notifications include low water level. To resolve, refill the water tank with fresh water. Machine too hot. To resolve, give the machine time to cool down. The screen will unlock off this alert when your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is ready for use again. High-low voltage detected. To resolve, the screen will lock on this alert until the voltage comes back to normal. Capsule opener missing. To resolve, check if the capsule opener is placed correctly. If not, adjust and try again. Kettle not positioned correctly. To resolve, open the door and reposition the kettle correctly. Cleaning required. To resolve, follow the on-screen instructions to start the manual cleaning process. Coffee capsule missing. To resolve, insert a new coffee capsule. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the alert. Once the issue is fixed, the machine will return to ready mode. These alerts keep your machine protected and functioning smoothly.